Du Masechus beitzah, Daf Yud Daled, Amud Aleph. Zog the Mishnah. Behema mesukenes. Lo yishchoit elam ken yadua sheyochel loichel when he kazai slim beit yah. Only if he's sure that he has enough time, it's not late enough in the day, he can still chop around and eat a kazai roasted. The fastest it takes is roasted. Kiva oim afil kazai chaim besti b'chasa. Even a piece of raw meat is also okay. Shachata b'sada, maybe any b'moita. There's two types of sticks. If you just bring it each separately, the parts. This is halacha in Masechta Chulin. Shekhazik l'me'ayim l'koisha. Gemara says in Masechta Chulin that if you see a hole, so if you see a hole in it, so we say there's an Ave did it. We don't have to be choishish that mokim neked that was already neked there before. Ton amaviyah agab oir. Case the oyster v'shayim and Aver echad maviyah him. In one Aver he is leaves connected to the oil. Like this, he can schlepper the whole oil. It's not muktzah because it's taltal the oil agab the Aver. V'choy shenofel a boir. Rabbi Yehuda oim a yeda mumche v'yer. Yesh ben mum yad. Yeshul no yeshul. You should check. You should go inside the boil and see if there's a no, you cannot do that because it's not Erev. It's an interesting Mishnah here because usually we know Rabbi Yehuda is the one that doesn't hold of Muktzah. Okay, Rabbi Yehuda holds of Muktzah. And here, he wants to ask the question. Ma'achel v'shitza Rabbi Yehuda. Tanina tam Rabbi Yehuda im malay in the vein yantiv shemin amulchan. There he says that if there's a Yehuda holds of Muktzah. And here, Yehuda says no problem Muktzah. You can just walk in the boyer and see. He holds that Minatoyer you don't need a mumcha. So it's not like it was really mutter. The mum was there before Yom Tov already. The heter mumcha it's just it's not Torah. Just the Rabbanah said you should go to a mumcha. So this person saw already that there's a mum in the b'chol. It means he knows that he can eat it. And now, punkt, he decided, okay, you know what? Now I want to take it out from the buyer, so let me make sure that we get a heter of a mumcha. But really, the person's mind was ready before Yantiv, because he knew already the whole time that this animal has a mum. The mum didn't happen now when it fell into the buyer. It was an old mum. Just now is the time where he needs the emergency to take it out and have a reason why it's not. He should be matriach himself because he wants to eat it. It shouldn't be a turkish and But really, the mum was there and he had his mind on it. Just needs a mumcha to say it's mutter. So that's why it's not a problem. That's why Yehuda holds here it's not a problem. Rabbeinu b'Shem Rabbe Yehuda Obed Riyas b'Choyer ke Iyas Treifik. So that's like Treifik. One of the Talmud learns a Treifik beyond the Chos and Renes b'Choyer beyond. Same idea like Treifik. You're allowed to see a Treifik. It's not considered like it's muktzah because you're not matter anything. Even the Chacham sees it's not a problem, so everything is good. Even boy. The Mayim Devreim is Treifik Devreim. One that Renes Treifik beyond the Chos and Fishas at May beyond. He's asking an interesting question that it's also a tikkun. It's very hard to understand the dinyan, but he's asking the same thing. He should be mutter to be after the ma'aviyant. Doesn't answer on this. Zog the Gemara, a boy shem beis v'chadina, kol shem mume niker aviyant l'tir moche el v'yant, ein zemen ha-moche. No, you don't pass like Rabbi Yehuda. You say you have to have a Torah's mumche before Yom Tov. Egel b'choy shenod natreife v'yant mutter. So there we say like this. Egel b'choy, So the Gemara says, the Gemara brings down this whole same halacha that first of all it says treifa to teach you even if it's not muchan agav imay. And then the problem is that it's born on Yom Tov, it's a b'chayr. So there we say she'over amumcha v'ra'ohu. So the Gemara brings down that the regular b'chayr, even if mumcha was over and he saw it, it's still enim and amucha. We pass so strongly that even if that mumcha, according to Rabbi Yehuda, we say the chatchila, the mumcha to check it, no problem. According to the other shit, even the mumcha went, the mumcha is not allowed to check it. Even if you did go ahead and check it, it still doesn't help because it's muktzah. Because it needs a Torah's mumcha, so it's muktzah. But here, since it was born on Yom Tov, so it was never a cheskes iser. There, if the ovra mumcha v'ra'o, said not allowed to check it, but at least it doesn't have a din of muktzah. So if it's ovra mumcha v'ra'o, it's not a problem. By English and you look in the Bavli, you'll see this the sugya also. This is the din by Noiled B'Yant. Also, Udikim of Imeh, so many David of Shimon Lochke Yude. You want to pass like a Yude, that to be makel, that the B'chayr to not follow boyer, or even a Stama B'chayr, a mumcha to see it. I say, Veshi, Besit, the Bakapar, but Jeroim, Vatan, the Choma, Oim, Kashmum, and Nikab Yant, the Timich, the Yant, Ein Zemen Amilchan, the Kibla B'chazar Bey. So he was Chayzer. Rav Amma was Chayzer from his psak. He said, no, you cannot be matter. Or he says, B'nai Shnafel L'boy. Rav Lezer Oim Yad of Yisrael. Okay, I'm going too far. This is, you know what, I'll finish this whole thing already. This is going to be Yudalat Amad Aleph Amad base. So, it's because it's a small Amad. Gemara brings down, then, Rav Lezer Oim Yad of Yisrael Manas Lishchot. V'yishchot. Sheni is the Panas L'kosh L'yamas. That's what Rav Lezer says. Rav Yeshua says, Yaila Serishon Manas Lishchot L'lo Yishchot. V'yairem V'yalas Sheni Apish L'yichish L'ishchot. Echad Mehem Mutter. Makes an aroma. First he takes of the first one, then he says the second one, and then he says he doesn't want anyone. He's allowed to do it because he makes an aroma. There in Psachim, Eblezer is mata aroma. He says that you have a tuma chalub. You bake matzahs and it became tuma. What do? You bake everything. Each one you take out from the oven. You say, "Oh, I'm not." This one I'm gonna eat. This one I'm gonna eat. Like this, it's not considered like you're doing any issue of baking. I think that's not royal achila. Also that Tamish and Bali Ra, you have no choice. Here, just because of hefsed moment, you don't allow Rama. Macha Fashitz to Bishua, Tamin Omer also the Haim Dam, since the Psachim doesn't allow this trick. Vachi Omer to the Haim. I really count Shavuos. It's only a Shavuos. The whole thing is only tilpul, totally the animal slave itself. But kan chayav chatas means a malacha b'yontiv. It's not chatas, but it's issa deraisa. Different reason. Here, you don't wanna make a hefset. The baby can die there. Tamama islach. There, what's the big deal? What's the big deal? And Yeshua says there's no reason to make a aroma. You just let it. Yeshua says you're not open all year. You just let it become chometz. So why should you make a aroma there? One of them said this answers that answer. One of these answers here, if you just said now for the kasha from Yeshua, or I think it goes a different thing. I think it goes on what you should do with the challah. If you should do like Rabbi Yeshua, or like Ben Beseira. Just I remember that Gemara there is it's a hetic from Yeah, it's a headache from Sechta Psachim. Okay, this is the end of Yud Gimel. No, I'm sorry, Yud Daled. Yud Daled, Amud Aleph, and Amud Beis. Yud Daled.